Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Steam from starting in big picture mode. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of how the application behaves. In the Settings window, you'll notice a left sidebar with different categories. Click on Interface. This section controls how Steam looks and functions on your desktop, including startup behavior and visual preferences. Now look for the option that says Start Steam in Big Picture Mode. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it off. This tells Steam that you want it to launch in the standard desktop mode instead of automatically switching to the full-screen big picture interface. This simple change should resolve the issue for most users. Next, restart Steam to apply this change. Close the application completely and then reopen it. This ensures that your new setting takes effect properly. Give it a moment to load, and you should see Steam opening in the regular desktop mode as intended. However, if Steam still keeps opening in big picture mode even after you've disabled that setting, there's an additional configuration you'll need to check. This typically happens when your controller settings are overriding the interface preferences. In the upper right corner of Steam, click on the Enter Big Picture Mode icon. This will temporarily switch you into big picture mode so you can access the controller settings. Once you're in big picture mode, look at the bottom left corner and click on Menu. This will bring up Big Picture's main navigation panel. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Settings. From there, navigate to Controller in the same left sidebar. This section manages all controller-related configurations and how they interact with Steam's interface. Now click on Show Advanced Settings. This will reveal additional controller options that aren't visible by default. Look for the option labeled Guide Button Focuses Steam. Right beside it, toggle this option off. This setting is often the culprit when Steam keeps launching in big picture mode despite your preference settings, as it allows your controller's guide button to automatically trigger the big picture interface. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to stop launching in big picture mode. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.